Welcome to Tigerpaw Mobile, where you can experience a powerful way to manage your work and your customers using any mobile device. Tigerpaw Mobile was developed with processes in mind. By identifying the key processes of a field technician, we've streamlined the task of documenting the work they do. Automation is key, and our focus was to address anything that would be drudgery and repetitive. A single tap can accomplish multiple tasks on the back end, allowing the tech to focus on their work, with the application taking care of the rest. Tigerpaw Mobile is built as a hybrid application using occasionally connected technology. It is device independent, and we have apps for Apple and Android devices, but will run within the browser of any mobile device, such as a Windows Mobile and BlackBerry device. While the tech is doing the work, the job refreshes and an icon displays on the dispatch board back at the office. With a glance, the dispatcher will know if a tech is en route, on site, or has finished a job. With occasionally connected technology, no matter where you are, the application's functionality stays the same. This automated tool keeps things moving in your business. Sound good? Let's take a look at the power of this application. Let's start with the list views. Tigerpaw is known for robust list views, and that has been brought over to Tigerpaw Mobile. Here is a service order list that can be filtered to suit my needs. I can choose the fields I wish to display and pick the order in which I wish to display them. We've also included other list views, such as the task, time log, and expense lists. These are powerful and available if you need them, but we developed this application so you don't need to use them. Let me show you why. Here is my agenda, which shows me what I have to complete. I have 4 items on my agenda today. I can tell what I have to do by glancing at these icons. Here I have 2 service appointments signified by these icons, 1 phone call notated by this icon, and a to-do, which looks like this. Service-related items are signified with a screwdriver. Tasks also show up here that are not tied to service orders, like this to-do, which I know because there is no screwdriver on the icon. Now let's take a look at the first ticket I have for today. Here I can quickly capture travel and work time for this service order. I'm heading out, so I will tap Start under Travel. With this single tap, a time log is started, an expense is opened, the service order status is updated, and an icon appears on the dispatch board, notifying the office I am en route. Let's say I want to stop and grab a coffee on my way to the job. I can pause the travel time while getting the coffee and resume it once I'm on my way again, automatically calculating true travel time. The number 1 complaint of field technicians is, of course, the problem not being resolved the first time. However, the second complaint is being late to the call. Tigerpaw Mobile easily remedies this issue. Simply tap the address within a service order to display a map to your destination, complete with turn-by-turn directions and traffic information. If I need to call the client and tell them I'm on my way, I can just tap the phone number to make the call. Now that I'm on site, it's time to work. Tapping Start besides work stops the travel time. A system option can require me to log my miles, creating an expense against this service order. This single tap accomplishes a number of tasks. It creates an expense and closes the travel time log while starting a new time log for the on-site work. The service order status is changed and the dispatch board is updated. The password keeper allows you to store customer-sensitive information like server passwords. Tigerpaw Mobile gives me access to this information in the field. To view or edit a password, I am required to enter my password. This ensures if my mobile device is lost, the customer's information is not compromised. I can also add new passwords with this function, complete with strong password generation. As I complete work, I need to update the service ticket. I can easily do this by tapping Update. Many service order functions are performed on this screen. I can view or edit the brief description and work requested, as well as update work performed and internal comments. While entering information, I have access to the comment library I use within the desktop application. I can also use my phone's dictation functions to fill in any text field, making the task of logging updates painless. Although the application was designed to track time spent on a job with a single click, we've ensured your technicians have the ability to add and edit time logs on site if needed. Again, although the application was designed to seamlessly create and manage expenses, if additional expenses are incurred while on site, they can be immediately added here. The ability to log parts used while at a job site is extremely important. Here I can add any part I use to the job, and adjust pricing if I have the proper security privileges. In fact, normal Tigerpaw security carries over through the entire mobile platform. Here I can see a list of my client's assets. If the item I'm working on is not on this list, I can add it. Under Additional Technicians, I can see who has previously worked on this job and escalate to other technicians if required. Service order date and times can be adjusted if needed. The service order status is automatically changed through the process of working a job. However, I can change that status here. Detailed service order contact information is always at my fingertips. Once I'm done with the service order detail, I can save my changes and return to the service order home screen. One of the most requested features is being able to add a picture to a job. For example, I walk into a customer's server room and it's a complete mess. Wires are everywhere. I know I'm going to have to organize this before I can even begin working. I also know I will need to justify the time spent doing that with the client. I can quickly take a picture or choose from an existing picture on my phone and upload it to the service order. Now that this job is done, I tap Complete. This closes the time log and updates the status of the ticket. Back at the office, this updates the dispatch board, signifying I have completed the work. This icon displays on the dispatch board, letting my dispatcher know I've completed the job. The dispatcher can also see what additional service tickets have technicians en route and when the technicians begin work. As I leave, I want my customer to sign off on the job. Signatures reduce my time to collect. Tigerpaw Mobile enables me to capture the signature before I even leave the job site and attach it to the service order. Work completed and verified. No paperwork to file at the office. Remember that this information is stored no matter the state of my internet connectivity. Occasionally connected technology ensures if internet is lost, the information will be stored and it will sync once a connection is re-established. With Tigerpaw Mobile, you will see your productivity increase, you will reduce your paperwork, reduce fuel and travel costs, and most importantly, increase your customer satisfaction. Optimize your business now. Call your Tigerpaw representative and get Tigerpaw Mobile today.